In this video, I'm going to show you how you can 10x your affiliate marketing results. If you're watching this video, chances are that you are already doing affiliate marketing and you're not getting the results that you want and you deserve. Or you're thinking about doing affiliate marketing, that there's so many options out there and you're not 100% sure how to get started. Well, this video is going to be a full step-by-step training. This is going to be based on my experience. I'm going to show you everything that I have learned during the past few years. And just in case that you're wondering, like, hey, who are you and when did you get started? Well, my name is Castillo. This is my YouTube channel. And in this YouTube channel, I'm sharing everything about affiliate marketing and making money online. So if this is something that you really want to master, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I started affiliate marketing back in 2018. This is the time that I decided to go ahead and return to my online business. But not all affiliate marketing is created equal. That's the reason why I'm going to show you how you can 10x your affiliate results. Okay, first of all, let me tell you a little bit more about affiliate marketing basics, just in case that you're here and you're like, okay, I have an idea but I'm not 100% sure what is affiliate marketing. Well, basically this is you, okay, and here we have someone who create a product or a service, and here we have a potential customer, okay, someone who is looking for a solution, who is looking, to solve something. And sometimes we are not even aware because we consider that our situation is quite unquite normal or does not have any kind of solution. And if we tell them, like, for example, hey, do you want to learn how to play piano? That person say yes. I tell them, like, hey, use this link and this is the best piano course out there. So when that person make the transaction, we are going to be earning money, okay, just by sharing the links. A lot of companies out there have affiliate programs. If you go to Amazon, Target, Best Buys, you're gonna notice that they do have affiliate program. They tell you, like, hey, if there is someone who purchased, this product with your link, if you refer that person, because you're not gonna be making the sale, you're gonna just tell them literally, like, do you want this? Do you want to learn how to do this? Do you want to solve this? You're going to put them on the front page or the front door, and they are going to be making the decision based on what they're actually do. So this is the best side hustle if you just want to get started online. It does not take any kind of crazy technical knowledge. You don't need to deal with payment processor. You don't need to be wasting time creating a product that you think that someone else is going to buy. You don't need to deal with customer service, with refunds, with tech support, and all this stuff. We literally share a link. Okay, so this is the basic. Something really important, guys. What people are doing right now is this. Okay, they do have their link. So right now they go to YouTube. Okay, they go blogging. They go to Facebook. They go to Instagram Reels, even TikTok, okay? And they are telling people, like, hey, I have this link. Go ahead, click it, and I'm going to make a sale, okay? This is what we call the hit and miss strategy. Why? Because if the person did not click on your link, there is no way you can share the link with the product or any other products in the future, because you don't have their contact. If the person is there and is ready to make the purchase, but life happens, someone knock at their door, they were on the subway, they were just getting tired, people live, and life happens, and they were about to make a purchase, there is no way in which you can do the follow-up. This is actually the reason why people are like, hey, this doesn't work. The other thing is that they do not choose a niche, okay? Because with affiliate marketing, you can promote as many products and as many services as you want. So you are not tied to one. So there are people who are jumping from niche to niche, and sometimes they are promoting something on the weight loss industry, sometimes they are promoting something on the gaming industry, and they do not give enough time to do this. They do not give themselves permission to be successful. They are not passionate about their niche, and that's something really important. Okay, you need to make sure that the niche that you're going to be in, it's something that you really like. It doesn't matter if you're doing something what we call organic traffic or free traffic, in which you're going to be literally creating content about it, or if you're doing paid traffic. If you do not feel passionate about it, you are not going to be creating content or ads that connect with those who need this. Okay, so if someone else is making money with affiliate marketing, there is no reason why you're not going to be making money with it. So, what I suggest you to do, guys, first of all, is pick a niche. Remember, pick a niche that you are going to be passionate about. And my suggestion is go ahead and create a brand. Okay, you're gonna see that my name is Diana Castillo and my brand is Moneymaker Area. I do have moneymakerarea.com. Okay, so you can use your name, and that's what we call a personal brand, or you can use just the name of a brand. Okay, again, you need to choose a niche that you feel passionate about, and you need to choose a platform or platforms that you feel comfortable creating content. Okay, that's something really important. My suggestion, and this is again based on my experience, choose one that you really, really like. Again, how do I know like which one is the best for me? Where do you spend the most amount of time? Do you spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos? Do you spend a lot of time on TikTok? Do you spend a lot of time on Facebook? Well, you already have the answer. So why I'm telling you this, because if you spend a lot of time on Facebook, you know how to interact with people. You know that you can create group, because chances are that you're already part of a group, you're already part of a community. So it doesn't matter where you are, if you're on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, there's supposed to be a B, blog, or any other platform here. Okay, you're gonna have the same. You're going to have the link that is somewhat purchased on your link. You're going to be earning money. But now we are not going to send them directly to the link. We are going to send them to what we call a capture page. Okay, a capture page. We are going to be providing people's our name, our email address. Okay, in this case, they're going to provide it to you in something that you're going to be offering for free. Okay, you're going to be offering here something for free. Diana, what this can be? This can be an ebook, this can be a cheat sheet, it can be just a video, it can be a webinar to the product or service that you're promoting, but it's going to be free and it's going to be tied to an offer. Okay, so it's going to be tied to an offer. The benefit of this is that you're going to have their email address, and this is something that happened automatically. This is something that we call email marketing. It's something that people call email automation. So as soon as they join here, okay, there is going to be a trigger. Don't worry, this is not something crazy to do. And people are going to start receiving emails. In these emails, we are going to be building a relationship. Okay, we're going to be building a relationship. We are going to remind them the reason why they decide to join. We're going to, share with them if we have our experience about the product or service we are promoting. So we are building trust. Okay, this is something that is happening automatically, but there is also something that we call broadcast. I'm going to put a B here. Broadcast is an email that is not going to be sent automatically. Maybe you have a great experience that you want to share. Okay, the other thing is that, let's say that, and this is something that I do, I practice what I preach. If I create a YouTube video, I'm going to be sending a broadcast email about this. Hey, this is my latest YouTube video about XYZ. Okay, if you have, let's say, an event on your Facebook community, because that's a platform that you decide to go all in. Okay, hey, remember to first of all join my Facebook community if you are not part of it, and I'm gonna have this event on day XYZ, or answer to the question, or I have this incredible pause about XYZ, all the information is there. So again, we are building trust. Okay, we are, sharing our information. Some people are also telling that we use this email sequence to build an authority. Okay, so you are not going to start from scratch. The only month that you're going to start from scratch is the very first month, because you don't have an email list, you don't have this community. Okay, after that, you're going to have the opportunity to be in touch with them, to have everything connected with them. So another thing that I want you to take into consideration is the fact that you need to know that you need to have high ticket. Okay, you need to have high ticket, and chances are that you are like, Diana, what do you mean high ticket? It's a product or a service in which people are gonna live a real transformation. Okay, a real transformation, and people are willing to invest more because they're going to have a coach, they're going to have a mentor, they're going to have quality. Okay, they're going to live an experience. Okay, so this is a great way in which you are going to be, part of this. Everybody, including myself, when we started with affiliate marketing, okay, we started this way. We started by selling a what we call a low ticket product. Okay, a low ticket, which is actually a product in which people can pay $1, $7, all the way even to, let's say, 97. Some people consider it even 997 low ticket. Okay, some people consider $50 low ticket, but let's say that it's going to be all the way to $97, and we are earning a 50% commission on this. Okay, sometimes this happens because of our mindset, because we are like, okay, first of all, I don't like sales. That's one of the things that people say. I don't like sales, and who is gonna buy a product or service in which, for example, they need to pay $2,500? Okay, who is gonna be interested on this? Why they are gonna buy from me? No, they're not gonna buy from you. Again, this is affiliate marketing. You're gonna send them to a page, and the system is gonna be doing everything. Okay, the system is gonna be doing everything for you. Another thing about the high ticket is that they have something that marketing we call the value ladder. So that means that they can purchase, let's say, a $7 product up to $47. Okay, if they want more, it can be like the second product is $500. Maybe this one is going to be $2,500. Okay, and so on. So you just introduce them to here. Okay, you just introduce them to here. They are going to notice that they receive a lot of information, a lot of transformation, that they are not alone and all this stuff. And if they decide to go ahead and purchase the next product, the next product, the next product, and so on, you are going to be earning money of all of this. But we do not promote this. Okay, we do not promote this. The only thing that we actually do is put it here, okay, on what we call the front door or the front offer. Okay, after that, if they decide that they have like a lot of value, then they're gonna go. Another great thing about affiliate marketing is that you actually own the customer. So that means that the difference between this and Amazon, for example, if you go to Amazon, okay, and you refer someone with your link, if that person, let's say that this is the cart, they have one product, another product, let's say that, okay, they use your link and they are going to be purchasing these 3 items. So you make a commission for this. But if they return, okay, here we have a return customer, and they say like, okay, I want to buy this and this other thing, you are not going to be earning any commission from this. Okay, but with high ticket, you are going to be earning commissions. It doesn't matter if they decide to purchase after a year, after a month. Okay, you are going to be earning that income. And whenever you have, for example, a $2,500 day, which is possible, okay, it is actually way easier to make it with a high ticket program rather with these kind of programs or these kind of low ticket items. It's way easier to sell a $1,000 product one time that a $1 product 1,000 times. Okay, so that's something that I want you guys to take into consideration, and that's how you can 10x your income. If you want to learn more about this, check out the very first link in the description. Okay, so you can learn a lot about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, and how to have a real successful online business. Okay, so if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.